In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add open-close daily line in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have your chart open for the market or asset you want to analyze. You can use any time frame you like, but remember, this tool is specifically focused on the daily open and close, so it will reference the daily session levels on your chart, no matter what time frame you're viewing. Once your chart is open, look near the top of the screen for the indicators button. This is usually found along the main toolbar above your chart area. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open up the Indicators and Strategies as window, where you can search for and add tools to your chart. Inside this window, you'll see a search box at the top. Click on that search box so you can start typing. This search bar is how you quickly find the specific script or indicator you want, instead of scrolling through a long list. Now in the search box, type the phrase Open Close Daily Line. Take a moment to type it carefully so TradingView can pull up the correct result. As you type, you'll see a list of matching indicators appear below. What you're looking for is the indicator named Open Close Daily Line. Once you see it in the list, click on it. As soon as you click, TradingView will automatically add it to your chart. After it loads, you should see lines on your chart that represent the daily open and daily close levels. These lines help you quickly identify where the previous or current daily session started and ended, which can be really useful for spotting key support and resistance zones, intraday bias and reaction areas during your trading session. If you want to customize how these lines look, you can hover over the indicator name in the chart's data panel and click on the settings icon. From there, you can adjust the colors, thickness of the lines, or visibility on different time frames so it matches your personal chart style and is easy to read. Finally, if you don't already have TradingView Pro and you want access to more advanced features, cleaner layouts, and additional indicators on your chart, feel free to use my affiliate link in the video description. It supports the channel at no extra cost to you and gives you the full TradingView Pro experience to get the most out of tools like the Open Close Daily Line.